Right here, guys, we have the Boya Mini 2. Now this is going to be a wireless transmitter microphone that is going to be perfect for clipping onto your hat or your hoodie, your t-shirt. It even has a magnetic capability, and we have a windscreen that is built into it as well, so it's going to be super handy. And this thing is just very small, as you guys will see here. So I'm just going to unbox this, take everything out, and we're just going to take a look at what we have. So right here, I have the Type-C USB charging cable. It doesn't appear to be too long, but it still is something that they include in the kit, and I do appreciate that. Now, we're also going to get a little bit of instructions here. They're going to show you how to use the product and everything right there. But let's go ahead and open this up because I'm actually pretty curious to see what this looks like. Now, right here, we're going to have a nice case. This seems to be like a metallic metal kind of chrome look, which is kind of cool. And we're going to have a lightning, and we are going to have a Type-C that's going to come with the kit. So depending on which one works for you, you can just set the other one to the side, but it is nice that it does come with both options. Now we are also going to have two wireless microphones, and there is going to be a little tab on the bottom, and that's going to enable it to be able to charge on the inside. So you just want to make sure you remove these after you take them out for the first time. Now guys, take a look at these. These are very tiny. I mean, they're basically just the size of the top of my finger before it bends. I like the little clip there and just messing around with this clip, but this clip is actually really nice. And I like the windscreen that's built in on top. That makes it really handy. Now, as I place this in my hand, you can actually see how small this is, which is going to make it perfect for traveling or just carrying this in your pocket, camera bag, purse, or whatever. It makes it very small and simple and easy to carry around with you. Hey, this thing might be pretty small, but it looks like it packs a punch. Now, the carrying case is going to be super practical because everything fits in there absolutely perfect. You close it down, it does have a magnetic seal on there. And we're going to have the Type-C on the bottom, so you can just plug that in. It doesn't come with an adapter, so you either plug it into USB or you need an adapter. But this is really awesome, and I also love how it has a nice soft carrying case bag as well, so you can stuff everything inside, keep it nice and safe, and just lug it around with you. The performance of this microphone is actually awesome, and you guys are probably wondering how I know this microphone performs so well if I haven't used it yet. And it's because I've actually been filming this entire video so far on the Boya Mini 2. Now let's go ahead and do a couple sound comparisons and really see what this microphone can actually do. So this is just a test so you guys can hear the difference between my regular camera microphone and the Boya Mini 2. Now this is going to be a test of me using the microphone when I'm just holding it up to my mouth. Hopefully this gives you guys a good idea of what this actually sounds like, and I'm just speaking in my normal voice. Now as I press the button, the green light just turned on this microphone, and that is going to be the noise reduction. So you can adjust this a little bit more through the app, but if it is a little bit noisy with the background noise when you're using this mic, this setting should help. Now this is a test of what the microphone sounds like when it's clipped to my hoodie. It's a little bit further away from my face, but hopefully it can still pick up some good sound. This is going to be the microphone clipped to my hoodie with the noise reduction. So hopefully you can hear that it is cutting out a little bit of noise. This is going to be a test with the microphone clipped to my hat. Sometimes I do record videos with it clipped to my hat because it brings a lot of consistency with the distance between my mouth and the microphone. When you have it on your shirt, if you're moving around, it can move further and closer away. So this brings a lot of consistency, and this is probably what I'd be doing. And this setting right here is going to be clipped to my hat and have that low sensitivity on, so that you can hear less background noise. Okay, so I'm back to using my regular wireless microphone. I want to show you guys about this. Couple things that I love right off the bat in the way that this operates. First of all, it's very small and compact. It works with the Lightning and the Type-C. I got this plugged in right on my phone. So as you can see here, my phone is on. You can double press this button, and as you can see, guys, this just started recording. So that's actually really handy. You really can't even do that with a basic cell phone. So if you do have your camera over there on the tripod and you have it in the perfect spot, you're in the perfect spot, you're in focus, and you don't want to get up and press record, you can actually just be all the way back here with this, click the button, and it does have a very long range. So I was able to press the button on here and start recording over 40 feet away. But that's impressive. I don't even think my phone can see me in the frame frame further than that, so it doesn't even matter. And then if you double press it again, it will stop the recording feature right there. So that makes it totally hands-free, and for that, I absolutely love it. Now, number 2 of the things that I love about this is going to be on the screen here. You can see we have a blue sensor. So if you want to put it in noise canceling, you press it one time and now it is green. But if this is clipped to your chest or your hat, you can't tell if it's green unless you take it off and look, take your microphone and take a look to see if it's green. Well, guess what, guys? It's actually green on here. So if you are looking at your camera and you're recording yourself, you're going to be able to see that. So watch as I switch this. I press the button and then boom, that's going to be the regular audio. Hit it again and now we're in that low sensitivity for the background noise. So another thing I love about this is as soon as you pull the wireless microphone out of the case, you can see that turn blue immediately, and you got player 2 in the game real quick and easy. Comes in a nice portable carrying case. So overall, I'll let you guys decide if you think this is a good option. I definitely am going to be using this for certain instances, especially when I'm recording on my phone. It's going to be way easier to get that audio, and it's probably going to be a lot better than my regular phone or any other really phone out there. You can adjust the sensitivity within the app. If you download the app, there are a bunch of different settings that you can actually use, but this seems like a good option to travel with and use for your phone. So at the end of the day, I highly recommend this product. I think it works great and I love it. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.